All right. Now that we've started to fill our pinholes and stuff, shouldn't be too much longer now. Be able to lay some primer on it. May have to do it once more, but we'll sand it and see what we got after, and then we're on to edging it. All right. So got another round of fillering done. Got some primer on it. Looking pretty good, pretty good. Got some red on her. Can't wait to get some felt, and it'll look good in the car. So that's kind of the configuration I'm going to go for here. Have to drop it down a little bit, and then I'm going to build some drop panels in here, and that'll take care of this edge.